guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a few earrings that are perfect for the season, for summer season. These are perfect for regular wear and you can also style them for special occasions. They're not as big as the ones I'm wearing right now. ये बहुत ही छोटे छोटे हैं, so they are not going to cause you any discomfort. They are not that heavy or anything. मैंने इनको एक Instagram page से लिया. I will put their handle in here and I'll also tag them or link them in the description box below. I can't tag them, I'll link them and you guys can check them out. I really love their earrings. I have been shopping jewelry from Instagram from some time, like 2-3 months, and I have been enjoying some of the brands so much that I wanted to start posting them on YouTube in here to like promote them. So yeah, I hope you guys will like the earrings as much as I do. I paid for them myself. It was not a collab or anything, so I'm going to be giving you my real review. I'm going to be showing you guys everything as and how I received them. So yeah, let's get into the video.
Starting off with this super cute pink beaded jhumki. I absolutely love these beads. These are like stones. This is a double layered jhumki. It has the hook, then there is another silver bead with designs in it, and below that is the jhumki part, and then there is the stack of the pink beads. ये बहुत ही लाइट वेट है. It's very easy to wear. It's not gonna hurt your earlobes at all. There is only one problem, and that is that when I received this jhumkis, one of the beads were missing in one of the earrings, and even though I can put it on, it does not stay. ये बार बार खुल के गिर जाता है. It is also a very sturdy pair of earrings that will probably not lose color and stay untarnished for a really long time. Next up is another very lightweight pair of earrings. This is so tiny but yet so beautiful. Another one with very pretty beads. I love this blue color the beads have. They also have little tiny white beads with them. It's very lightweight and can be worn on a daily basis. आप इसको कॉलेज पहन के जा सकते हो, आप इसको ऑफिस पहन के जा सकते हो, and you can wear it for special occasions as well. I absolutely love the work on this. This one comes with a hook as well. Another very sturdy pair of earrings that will probably last me a really long time without getting tarnished. Next up is another pair of super cute earrings. This is the only earring in the entire haul that has a base metal color of gold. It has a very delicate motif work on its body and has a hook. The beads are super cute, tiny white ones. These are really lightweight and really easy to wear as well. In Indian jewelry standards, I would say silver is a bit more casual than gold. So if you want to wear gold out somewhere but you don't want to make it seem like you put in a lot of work into your look, you can easily go in with this pair. ये आपको एक casual elevated look देगा. Another super sturdy pair of earrings that will probably last me a really long time. Next up is another super cute colorful silver metal earring. I absolutely love this. Look at that embossed coin in the middle of the earring. It looks so aesthetic, kind of Victorian but so very Indian. And look at how super adorable the beads on the bottom are. They are in a lavender color. These are round ones and they also have tiny little white beads with them. These earrings are really lightweight and very easy to wear. This one comes with a hook as well. Perfect for casual everyday wear. They are also very sturdy and will probably last for a really long time without getting tarnished. Next up are these dome earrings in silver oxidized color. These have to be a little heavier than the previous ones I showed you, but they aren't too heavy, even though I'm not going to be suggesting that you guys wear these on a daily basis. These are more for special occasions, but girls who hate heavy earrings can wear these as well. इनके नीचे भी पिंक और वाइट बीड्स हैं that look super adorable, and on the body of the earrings there is Radhe Krishna inscribed, which is again super adorable. ये पैर भी बहुत ही एक स्टर्डी पैर है जो कि आपको बहुत दिनों तक लास्ट करेगा without getting tarnished. Next up is another silver oxidized pair. I absolutely love the peacock motif that the body of these earrings have, and below that there are white tiny beads and a big white faux pearl. ये भी ज़्यादा heavy नहीं है. This is something you can wear on a daily basis as well. This is one pair of earring that can be styled with every kurti or kurti set you have. Even though it looks pretty large, it is quite lightweight. This one comes with a hook as well. This is another very sturdy piece जो आपको बहुत दिनों तक लास्ट होगा और इससे कलर भी नहीं जाएगा. Next up is another silver oxidized pair. This one is a double layered earring as well, just like the first one I showed you. इसमें भी एक hook है, उसके नीचे एक silver color में bead है, and below that is the jhumka that has the pink beads attached to it. These beads are really small and they are fuchsia pink in color. I absolutely love the motif on the jhumka of these earrings as well. The beads are super cute looking as well. ये भी बहुत lightweight है that you can wear for everyday purposes. Even though it's quite long, it's not very heavy. Another very sturdy pair of earrings that will last you for quite a long time. Next up is another pink beaded jhumka. This is a very tiny little jhumka with heavy pink large stone beads in it. और इसमें छोटे छोटे white beads भी हैं. I absolutely adore the color of the beads in this one, and even though this jhumka is very small, it is quite heavy. I will suggest that you don't wear this on a regular basis. You can wear it sometimes for your office or your college and style it for special occasions, but do not wear this daily. I absolutely love the designs that is present on the jhumka. ये भी एक hook earring है that is very sturdy and will last you quite a long time. Next up is a very tiny little earring. This one is another push through earring. I absolutely love the body of this one. The motif is so beautiful and so are the beads. Look at how beautiful the green beads are, और उसके साथ साथ white color के छोटे छोटे beads भी है. This one is extremely lightweight and can be worn daily. You can wear it for regular purposes or you can style it for special occasions. This is another very sturdy pair of earring that will last you quite a long time. All of the earrings are very affordable, as you can see, and are totally worth the price. Next up is another pair of silver oxidized jhumka. This is another push through earring that has quite a heavy jhumka attached to it. इसके झुमके का मोटिव भी बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर है, and below the jhumka are the white faux pearls and little tiny beads as well. और झुमके का जो push through area है, the stud part and the झुमका, there is a lot of pearls, tiny little beads present in between that looks super cute. This is another pair of earrings that is not too light but not too heavy, so you can wear it for everyday occasions but do not wear it daily. This is very sturdy as well and will last you for a really long time without losing its color.
So guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and benefited from it. If you guys enjoyed it, give me a like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my videos in general, and do let me know in the comments below if you have any other video suggestion or request, and I will make a video based on that, and I will see you guys in my next. Till then, take care, bye bye.